My name is Cameron, and I built my first Rube Goldberg contraption. I'm 5.5, and this is the water maker. It puts ice in water.
Show us how it works.
So this carrot's gonna go down here. It's gonna knock over this thing down. So I'll pull this up. That marble right over there is going to make it go boop boop all the way to that ice cube.
Okay. We're ready for the
And then it will fall down into that cup, and I'll drink the water.
Okay, show us how it goes.
Here it goes.
It worked!
Good job. Now have your drink.